Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can buy the Zeniq coin on your Trust Wallet mobile app. Currently, we're on the coinmarketcap.com, seeing as it's a website of interest for today. We're having a look at the Zeniq price, how much it costs to obtain, and the various networks in which it lies. And if you're going to be finding its contract addresses, you'll have to use the menu bar or the taskbar up here. Click on About, click on More, or basically copy its Ethereum address. Well, for this video, we're working with its BEP20. So you simply click on it and click on Copy to Clipboard, and simply minimize. Open up your Trust Wallet. Click on the browser icon right here. Click on Exchange for PancakeSwap, or you simply locate PancakeSwap as well. It's the same process. Click on PancakeSwap.finance. Give it time to load in. Simply use the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Make sure it's on BEP20. As you see, it says BNB Smart Chain. Our next step is going to be clicking on BUSD, and we're going to be pasting the contract address we just copied. And once you've pasted, you simply click on Import. Click on I understand. Click on Import again. Okay guys, and once that's done, once you've selected Zeniq, switch it so it's the receiving in the swap. Click on your DAI, and now search for any token you'd like to use for this transaction. I'm going with HODL, so it's a medium risk token, and I'll be swapping everything for Zeniq. So you simply click on swap, click on confirm swap, increase our slippage tolerance to about 15%. Click on swap again and click on confirm swap, and you simply click on approve. So you simply click on add Zeniq to wallet, and you can view this transaction on the BSC scan as well. So you simply head over to the wallet section, where you simply reload your wallet, and once you scroll down, you can find Zeniq. Alright guys, comment down below if you have any questions concerning how you can buy the Zeniq coin on your Trust Wallet mobile app, and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.